Hi guys, welcome back to our 12th Java tutorial, and today I have a really quick video on assignment operators. And just like we have operators in math, we have assignment operators in Java. So the first is the assignment operator, which looks like the equal sign, and just like the equal sign, it's used to assign a value to a variable and other things. For example, we just say like a plus b is equal to the sum, or x plus 3 is equal to y. So just like in math, they use the assignment operator, the equal sign. And then we also have equals equals, and be careful not to switch them up. For example, if you're supposed to use equals equals, and if you use equals, it can mess up your program. So equals equals is kind of like a question mark equal sign. It's like it's used to check if this is equal to this. For example, a lot of times you use it in if-then loops. For example, you'd write if parentheses x equals 100, or if x equals 100, then system.out.println, you did a great job on your test. And for example, if we made a mistake and if you use the equal sign, the assignment operator, instead of equals equals, and instead of saying check if this value is equal to 100, we just said we'd be assigning like the grade is equal to 100. So you could see how that could be a really big problem. So make sure you are careful about that. So equals equals, once again, is just checking it, and like it will check if the value you give is equal to the number. Okay, now in Java there are several ways to increment numbers, and a lot of times you use incrementing in for loops. And you've probably seen this before. You've probably just seen like x plus plus, and that basically means add 1 to x every time. And that's the same thing as saying x is equal to x plus 1. So the new value of x on the left side is equal to the old value of x plus 1. For example, if we wanted to print out all the numbers from 1 to 10, we do like for x is equal to 0, x is less than or less than 10, and x plus plus, so you want the loop to keep on running because we do x plus plus, so it'll be increasing the value of x. We want it to system.out.println the value of x. So this way it'll be incrementing by 1, and x plus plus is the same thing as saying add 1 every time. And another way to write that is x plus equals 1. Now if you want to increment by another value other than 1, you just have to write x plus equals 3. For example, if we wanted to have print out a list of old even numbers, we do x plus equals 2, and that would be the same thing as saying the new value of x is equal to the old value of x plus 2. And if you wanted to like list out the multiples of 3, you'd write x equals x plus 3. So we write x plus equals 3, and that would be the same thing as saying the new value of x is equal to the old value of x plus 3. So here we have increments. And then you can also increment by subtracting. For example, if you want to subtract by 1 every time, you do x minus minus, or x minus equals 1, or you could increment by another number other than 1, and you just put the other number, and that would be the same thing as saying x is equal to the old value of x minus 3. You can also do it with a multiplication sign with just the asterisk. And then you can also do that with the division sign if you want to divide by 3 every time. And you can also do it with this percent sign, and this percent sign is called modulus, and basically finds the remainder. So if you put modulus equals 3, you'd be doing x is equal to x modulus 3, and that's basically saying that the remainder when x divided by 3 is equal to the new value of x. For example, if we put in 10 here, you'd do 10 divided by 3, so the remainder of 10 divided by 3, that is equal to 1, and that would be the new value of x. Or probably, yes, that's how it does it. And that's it for our assignment operators and increments video, and watch our next video for logical operators and to find out how to do the and or sign. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.